Obelisk, the house with no windows. Yeah, Lizardmen Inc. Sorry. Recently found a strange abandoned house. No other house is built around it, and it is seemingly in the middle of nowhere. Looks like a... It looks like where the like Teletubbies are now because the show's like I don't think they make that show anymore, right? I think that's where they went. This is like it goes down super far, so they live underneath in the underground, the Teletubbies. There are no obvious ways inside. And they make the custard, so they can be underground. They don't even have to go out to go get supplies or anything. They just make custard all day. That sounds awful. I ended up finding a flat piece of wood that appeared to be hiding something. I definitely wouldn't want to go in there. Behind it was an entrance to a crawl space. I wonder how they did this. I'm tripping. I'm already tripping. Oh, it's gonna be so loud too. What is that? It's a way inside. Ooh, I'm... The anxiety. It's all over. It's in my toes. I keep hearing something. Oh, I'm like too prepped. I'm jumpy. It smells like burnt matches. Oh, fuck. I would turn around immediately. I wouldn't even have to think about it. Oh, there's too much anxiety in this one. Is nothing gonna happen at all? I don't like the idea of exploring like that. It would freak me the fuck out. The door's so tall. Oh no. It's gonna be like a some kind of... Oh, do you just is it like the back rooms type stuff? You're just stuck in there forever. I hope this guy's exploring for a good reason. He's really gonna have some motivation. Oh, I saw that. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh my God, how long is this? This is excruciating. keep hearing shit behind me. And this person is just going for it. They're not stopping for anything. They're moving kind of slow, but they're consistently moving. Be still. Something. I can't read that. And know that for God? I don't know. I couldn't read that. Did the light flash off? He's not even scared by anything. It doesn't feel as real. He needs to be panicking too. I can't be the only one who's like freaking out. Where'd that person go? I gotta do a different video after this. This is like too much anxiety. Maybe pet my cat. Maybe it'll help. I think scientifically that helps. At this point, there's no way you're even going back. Like you're gonna get lost. You made so many fucking turns. You're pretty much dead. And now you have to go back. Why do you keep staring at it? Oh, I want to skip so bad. Oh my God. Just do it already. Just jump out already, or whatever it's gonna be. Oh my God. It's a door. Upside down tall door. Oh, it's not upside down. It's right side up. It's just up high. Oh, that was literally it? That was the only thing that happened? Okay, I'm a little disappointed about that. So much anxiety for that. Holy fuck. That was a terrible experience. Wow, but good video. Good video, because that's kind of what that's the purpose. I need to change up. I need to do some different ones. These are maybe this one.
Hi guys, it's me.
All right. This one's gonna be stupid, so it's perfect. All right, next video.